Hi my respected friends, today is Mahzooz draft prediction video trying on 9th July 2022, and also sorry for late, I have some work. Friends, for this week I have best prediction. I have powerful numbers 16 from 1 to 9. I have two numbers. Number 1 is 3 and number 2 is 8. From 10 to 19 I have four numbers: 10, 13, 14 and 19. From 20 to 29 I have also four numbers. Number 1 is 21, 24, 26 and 29. From 30 to 39 I have three numbers: 30, 34 and 38. In last, from 40 to 49 I have also three numbers: 41, 44 and 45. These are my 16 powerful numbers. If you like any number from it, you can choose. If you don't like, you can leave it. Okay friends, you should must select the numbers. The series 2 and 3. These series are more chances to come. You should select 2 to 3 numbers from these series 2 and 3. You should select your maximum numbers between 24 to 45. 3 or 4 numbers should come between 24 to 45. You should select 3 even numbers again and 2 odd numbers. My golden number for this draw, number 1 is 26 and number 2 is 19. These two numbers has great chances to come golden numbers. In last, if you want to play repeated number from previous result is 1, 8, 10, 12 and 49. If you want to play repeated number, then you should pick the first number 1 or last number 49. 1 and 49 has chances. One number from these can repeat in this draw. Okay guys, this is my overall prediction. These are my 16 powerful numbers. Most favorite series for this draw 2 and 3.